Hello world, it's time for a new episode of IDZ News. Kicking off this episode, I want to let you know there's a new Intel Edge AI certification course. It's much more than your average online workshop. You'll be able to advance your career and get recognized for your new marketable skills. It's a self-paced online training course that includes not only virtual classroom instruction, but also hands-on projects. You'll learn to use the latest Intel developer tools and platforms to create your own portfolio of Edge AI solutions. Register today to start earning your certificate at the link provided. Next up, check out the superior machine learning performance on the latest Intel Zeon Scalable processors. The newest generation enhance artificial intelligence, cloud computing, security, and many other areas. Intel has optimized a variety of tools and resources so these applications can easily take advantage of the latest hardware advances. Make sure you check out the new blog post that focuses on the popular scikit-learn machine learning library and the Intel extension for scikit-learn. Finally, in case you missed this year's Game Developers Conference, follow the link in the description to watch the session replays. Find out what's new and trending in game development tools and technologies. Watch the full episode now by following the links in this post. Thanks for watching.